Manifesting isn't just about creating vision boards and getting that parking space or some good news that just gets you through the day. It's truly about aligning your entire being with your emotions, your thoughts, and your energy with that which you want to bring into your life, not just once, consistently as you go through your journey of life. Your dream life, your desire already exists. And as the universe is a giant broadcasting station, it's your job to be crystal clear and to clear all of that noise, all of that BS, all of that unworthiness between you and that which you desire. I no longer say I'm busy, I say I'm getting things done, and you are getting things done, so I'll be short and sweet. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, hit the bell notification. I love you forever. Thank you for your time. On with the video. So why should you invest your time with me on this video right now? I'll tell you. My clients tell me all the time, oh, you're just so happy, you're just so positive. I wish that you can absolutely tune in to love, light, abundance, happiness, gratitude, joy. The list goes on and on and on. And it doesn't matter where you've been, what you've been through, what you're currently struggling with. There are a set of principles that if you practice daily and you implement them into your life, you'll notice ripples of positivity. You'll attract those things that you want, and you'll generally feel happier, more optimistic, more positive, and enjoy life more. Okay, so first, let's demystify the mystical. Everything is energy. We hear this a lot. Everything is energy, man. Hippie! Hippie! Actually, it's a scientific truth. It's a fact, if you will, that everything is, in fact, energy. From the trillions of cells in your body to the mountains to the stars, everything is energy, it's interconnected. We are literally all one and in a constant state of vibration. Each vibration has its own frequency, which is kind of like a singer. Every voice has its own tone. And the universe is like an infinite ocean of energy. And like Rumi said, the famous Sufi poet, you are not a drop in the ocean, you are the entire ocean in a drop. So step 2 is self-talk. I bang on about this all the time, but once you master this, your life will change. So we all have thousands of negative thoughts every day. And it's not about suppressing these negative thoughts. It's about choosing to acknowledge them or catching them before they take over your being and choosing to turn them into a neutral, positive ending to reshape your reality for what you do want. This creates a monumental shift in your vibrational field, and it changes your internal and external reality. What you think, how you feel, and what you're experiencing, what you're creating, what you're attracting in your life. In other words, if you're not liking the way that you feel, the way that you think, or what you're experiencing, you need to change that internally by tuning in to what you do want to feel, and then living from that space, breathing from that space, deciding that that is your reality. I had a client that was so caught up in his past story, years and years and years of negativity and trauma, that he couldn't comprehend this step. He wasn't listening to what I was saying. It just wasn't going in. And nothing I said was going in because he was accustomed to the negative story of his past and the negative story that he was playing up here and experiencing out here. When I noticed this, I realized that he needed his own experience. My words weren't going to work at this point. He needed to feel this for himself. He needed to experience this shift. And my words were going to be meaningless until he felt it himself. And this is why I love guiding people through my 6 Weeks to Freedom program. No matter where you are in your business, and no matter how much you want to scale up and reach more people and impact those people with all that amazing wisdom that you have and all the gifts that you can share, this program helps you unsubscribe from the old story, rewire your brain, subscribe to your new story, and get the job done. So if that's intriguing to you, check out the information down below, comment me the word freedom or get in touch, and we'll start your journey. Step 3, we need to set our intention. We need to create a new GPS, a direction to focus and channel our thoughts, our feelings, and our actions. So as the universe is like a giant broadcasting station, we are both the transmitter and the receiver. Now, you're not going to get taught this stuff in school and in university because people will literally set themselves free like I did. And if everybody did that, then who's going to be the worker bees? Not me. But now we're in this new age. Robots are replacing jobs. Maybe it's time that you truly set yourself free and live that life that you actually desire. You can actually do that. Are you with me? Are you picking up what I'm putting down? So when you tune in to these higher frequencies by thinking and feeling and doing good high vibrational things, thoughts, feelings, actions, you tune into love, peace, joy, appreciation, gratitude. And when you tune into the negative thoughts, feelings, and actions, you experience more doubt, more worry, more fear. It's that simple. So they say like attracts like. It is quite literally like a magnet. If you had two pianos in the same room and you hit the middle C on one, the middle C on the other will vibrate. So with that in mind, let's tune in right now to the core things in life that we all want. Love, health, wealth, success, and freedom. Love, feel love, be love, emit love. You will get more love. Health, you got bad health? Stop saying you got bad health. Love the health that you have. The dis-ease in your body, love it to death. Oh, my bad ear. Stop calling it your bad ear. Love that ear. Bring love to where your body needs it the most. Do this daily. Dive into this philosophy. Change your whole paradigm of how you think about these things and see what happens. Wealth. If we don't have the wealth that we want, we get into need and want, and we get into fear. So love the money that you have. Love your bank account. Love all that you do have. See what happens. Success. Tune into what you've already achieved. Stop putting yourself down and thinking, oh, I don't know how I'm going. Look back and look at all that you have achieved and get into that vibration. Get back to excitement. Freedom. You want more freedom? Imagine the freedom. Tune into the feeling of being free. Obviously, you got to align your thoughts, your feelings, and your actions. This isn't just crazy talk. But if you do this with love, health, wealth, success, freedom, and anything else that you want, you desire, and tune into that frequency, that feeling of already having what you want and desire, and I'm willing to bet that things are going to change. Step 4, your belief, your intention, your big why. We dive into the big why, something that motivates you, something that fuels your fire so you can get excited about it. So there's meaning behind what you're trying to manifest, what you're aiming your entire life at. If you're building your business and it's not going the way that you want it to be going, tune into that big why. Fuel that fire to help you make it happen, to give you a reason to decide to think these positive thoughts more often, to feel these positive thoughts more often, to make better actions every day because you need to make it happen, because you've got a damn good reason to make it happen. The big why should be under everything. Then you add your intention. I'm doing this. I don't know what that was. I guess it was just driving the car in that direction. And then you got your belief. You got to have the sprinkle that belief on top of it. You got to have the belief. In fact, if you don't have the belief, what are you doing? Believe you can do it. You've done it before. And if you haven't done it before, find someone that has done it and say, I'm going to do that too. Belief is everything. Big why, intention, belief. So now you've got your big why, your belief, your intention. You've figured out that you've got to focus on the positive and process the negative and get back to the positive and the optimism. You're aware of what's happening. You know where you're going. You've got your vision. You're building your business. You're going through it step by step. You're making progress. It's time to detach from the outcome. We're talking about detach from the outcome. That's my dream. I heard you. But if you're focusing on needing and wanting that thing so desperately so, one, you're putting out there that you are in need and want, and the universe will give you more things to need and want. And secondly, you're not here in the present moment, living your life right now, constantly in the future thinking mind, thinking, I'll be happy when. Well, let me tell you, that ain't never gonna happen. You will never be happy unless you can train yourself to be happy here and now. When things are going good, when things are going bad. It is what it is. If you can practice this one and nail this, you will instantly feel a massive weight lift off. you will feel a deep sense of peace, because you're not trying to get the peace and the happiness from something external, something in the future. You're tuning into life right now. You're deciding to show again, I'm here, I'm happy, I'm feeling peace, I'm ready. What will be, and I'm okay with that. Detaching from the outcome, cutting off the dream, so to speak, and just going through the motions, going through the process of it all, is confidence in yourself, your higher self, the universe, and the wisdom and the timing of allowing everything to unfold in divine timing. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, hit that bell notification. I'll see you on the next one.